Hi students, our next topic is model-based reasoning. But before going to that topic, let's have a quick look what are the problems. We have discussed many different type of problems in knowledge base that typically we cannot find expert system, a domain expert. Sometimes the domain expert is not cooperating, sometimes they are very busy and we don't have a specific programming language for that, and the different aspects of an expert system from conventional system, as we discussed in a previous class also. So many problems are there. For example, we don't have intelligent editors for knowledge base. There is no such editors available. For example, for conventional system, many sophisticated editors are available. For example, Visual Studio, or Python, PyCharm, or any other tools. Okay, so for conventional system we have many tools, but for expert system we don't have to edit the knowledge base. And then generating rules from a case histories. For example, if we have many cases, okay, and historical cases, then the expert system cannot automatically generate rules from the cases. Meaning to say, you will have to manually design the rules and manually type the rules and check the rules and refine the rules. Otherwise the system by itself don't have this ability to automatically generate rules for that. This is another problem. These are just the values, like historical values, and the system cannot generate rules from that. So this is another problem. Okay, third problem in expert system is that it cannot automatically refine. Okay, one is automatic generation of rules. Third problem is automatic refinement of rules. So there is no way that automatically the system refine rules for you. Okay, so these are all the different issues. The fourth problem in knowledge base is that improving the knowledge representation. How to improve the knowledge, and then how to represent the knowledge in such a format that computer can read later on. Okay, so these are the different issues that we have discussed from time to time. Now the new topic is model based reasoning. Model based reasoning is what? You know that every expert system has a reasoning or explanation based solutions. Okay, so when we are using different reasoning strategies, then most of the time for the reasoning process or for the explanations, we are dependent on domain expert. But you know that domain experts are very less and they are very valuable peoples. So it is very difficult to find, as we discussed earlier also. And sometimes the technologies are growing as faster that if, for example, for one technology, one person want to be expert in that technology, then the expertise takes that much long time that in that time actually the technology changes to a new format. So alternative of this, that how if human beings cannot be found, or if human beings are human expert takes a lot of time to be expert in that field. So what's the alternative? The alternative is that we can use models of the electronic things, and mostly this way of reasoning can be applied on electronic stuff. So you should know that all electronic devices have a model. So the companies, before designing the actual product, they design a model first for that. So the model is a complete detail of every single individual component. Okay, how it works and how it is connected to other components. So the details are actually given in the model. So to use the models for reasoning process or for identification of problems, issues in the model, and to verify or to provide solution, that is a shortcut way and easy way. In this way we are not dependent on human expert, and we can even go with the changing. We can update ourselves easily if the technology changes. So if technology changes, if the product changes, actually they will provide the model for that also. So we will be able to use the new model for the new technology. So many people are relying on these things, especially the mechanics, the mobile mechanics, and the other electricians. They depend on the model of the electronic devices. So when they've got a case, okay, then they go to the model of that device or that product, and go through by comparison, and then can find out what's the problem in that particular device, and later on they fix that. So the models are actually something like this, that before designing the actual product, they actually provide a model like this and explain every single component like this. So by referring to such type of models, you can find out the problems in the products, and then you can they also provide a manuals and fixing way, even assembly way and disassembly way. So all these things are already provided from the company, so we can use that, and we can reasoning based on that. So this type of reasoning is called model based reasoning. So the companies are actually not only providing models, they are providing a algorithm also, how the system, how the product works for every functionality. So for every functionality you can refer to the model, you can refer to their algorithms, and then you can find the problem. So if we use the models for reasoning process, this process is called, or this way of reasoning is called model based reasoning. And these are the advantages of model based reasoning. For example, no need to wait for an expert to be available. Okay, and model based reasoning can explicitly make use of the structure and the function of the domain, and here provide scope for more intelligible explanations. So we can easily get the new models, the new algorithms, and we can refer to that. No need to wait for a human expert. Okay, so how to find out what's the reason? So you see the actual device which may have a problem, and the model of the device. So the you will observe the observed behavior, that why this device is behaving like this, what's the fault. Okay, and from the model, the predicted behavior, the model provide the predicted behavior, and from the device you are observing the real behavior. Then you can match to each other, and then you can find out what's the problem and how to fix it. So mostly the technician, okay, they are using this way. So this is one simple steps and model for closing and opening a door. So all these steps, if you look at this, all these steps, uh, mm, uh, if you follow all these steps, then you can find out where is actually the problem, and you can fix once you find out where is the problem, and then you can fix. Okay, so this is all about the model based so this is all about model based reasoning. Okay, so you watch this. If any problem, we will discuss in a class.